course I just told you about the League of the Happening Babes on campus.
University is not a bed of roses. You must fight for your victory and vengeance.
I have strength. I can do anything.
If you eye any woman, eye any man, come back as dead, okay. See this one? Now Julia Roberts wear him. See as you find like this. Come fair, you go fit to die. Check him out. Are you stupid?
Do not allow university negative lifestyle to influence you.
Don't you recognize her? The local Okrika girl with no level.
So a primitive pig like you wants to belong.
Yes.
Remember whom you are. Silas' wife. Don't forget our son here.
So you now go around the campus talking to cheap girls, right? Can her mother afford to produce a pretty girl like me?
Definitely no.
How would you have allowed your wife dabble into the university, leaving her matrimonial responsibilities behind?
Go and marry people that are telling you lies about me, since you don't trust me, your wife.
You think you can break my house with your false accusation against my wife?
With your baby like expired brush, what did you tell my husband?
I said I saw your wife holding and kissing a man in a hotel.
You choke, we clear, he hang. Jesus.
She is very sick in the village and you abandoned your mother.
Okay, go. Don't you have sense? Even if you're old, with this your lipstick and eyebrow is even out of trend. Let you mind your business, it's not that hard.
I be entrepreneur, I'm not be a shower beg.
Anything that comes from Satan is a one-way ticket to hell.
You're the same reckless and mannerless girls that are causing pandemonium in this institution. And you must face the penalty and the consequences of your actions.
What's that?
Shut up!
That soap woman they use, make una cut am for me, I beg. Make a day like ona.
Get out of this place! Hey, hard man like me for this campus. Now they bluff and do me like a small picking.
Don't be jealous when I return with my range of exploits.
Because you managed to buy these small lashes you put on your face.
An eagle can never notice a vulture no matter how high it tries to fly.
Look at this thing. The Okrika girl. So you now have mouths.
You are right, my darling. Now me be the Okrika girl.
Yeah. Correct or cookie bowl.
Yes, sir!
With power.
You never collect.
You not try anything
You
stupid.
go collect.
You see this Okrika hand?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.